Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is that requested look that I posted on Instagram. It was an Instagram clip where my skin was really bronzy, really glowy, and my makeup was just really simple. I was just playing around with makeup that day and I just wanted to use products that I already have, just trying to create something really simple and just pretty polished, but everything was just kind of messy and I just really liked the way everything turned out, and you guys seem to like that look too. So that's what we're doing today. Before I jump into the video, I'm just going to show you the couple of products that I used, since it wasn't just one palette, it was two palettes and they're both affordable. You can still get your hands on these. They're both from Maybelline. These are upside down. This is the Soda Pop and the Lemonade Craze. I only used one shadow from each of these palettes, and then for the lid I used a Super Shock eyeshadow from Colourpop. This is in Birthday Wish, and then I pretty much just used a lot of bronzer, blush, highlighter, and yeah, it was a really simple, easy look, just using things that I already had. So before I keep talking, if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. So the first palette I'm going to use is this Soda Pop from Maybelline. I'm going to use this Cola Float shade right here. And I'm going to take a very small amount and just kind of really just work this all over my upper crease. And I just want to diffuse this color. And then I'm going to pull this shadow out a little bit. Just like that. And I like putting a little bit right here. So now I'm going to take this palette, which is the Lemon Craze one, and I'm going to go in with these two shades right here. And I'm using the smallest amount of the bright pink right here. And I'm just going to run this right over here. So I'm just keeping this color right in this area. So now I'm going to take this color right here. This is from Colourpop. This is Birthday Wish, and it's such a pretty, I don't really know how to explain it. There's some pink and it's just really pretty, really shimmery. And I'm just gonna do a cut crease with this, or a pretend cut crease. I'm going to do a cut crease just with the shadow. And I'm gonna stop right here. And then going back in with that brush, I'm just going to buff this out. Going back in with this shade and the fluffy brush, I'm just going to run this on the lower lash line. So I'm taking Birthday Wish and I'm applying it right over here. I'm also going to use another color to pop right into my inner tear ducts. So this is what I'm going to use for my brow bone and my inner tear duct. This is hands down one of my favorites. Favorite highlighters. It's the Essence Pure Nude Sunlighter, and I'm just going to go in with a pretty heavy hand and just really work this into my brow bone. So I'm going pretty heavy handed. Going back in with the blending brush, I'm just going to blend together. Going back in with the same highlighter, I'm just working this right into the inner tear duct. And again, going really heavy handed. I'm going to do a really thin wing. This is my Wet n Wild Megaliner. You guys know I really like this eyeliner. Really thin. And I'm going to add this little inner tear duct point. Okay, so I'm just putting glue on my lashes, and they're actually half lashes. These are my Wish lashes, and I just kind of cut them in half. I've been liking half lashes a lot lately. So while that's drying, I'm going to do my eyeliner. Taking a little bit of Feline from MAC, and I'm just running this on my waterline. So I went really, really heavy-handed with this bronzer because it gives you that really warm, really warm bronzy look. So I'm just taking these two shades right here and just kind of really just bronzing up my face. So I'm going to pinch it, and I'm just going to add a very small amount on my nose. And I'm just going to work this into my brows a little bit. I'm going to take this highlighter again, and I'm going to really, really pack this on. I don't spray, well, that day I didn't spray my brush. I just kind of went really heavy-handed and just moving my hands in a circular motion. And then connecting it up here. So taking the same brush, I'm going to flip it around, and I'm going to mix together these two blushes. This one is Heather Silk from Wet n Wild. I don't know if they still make this anymore, but I really, really like this color. And then this is Baddie on the Block with Kylie. So I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild first. And I've really been loving a lot of blush. I'm going to also work this to the sides of my nose. I'm taking a very small amount and just tapping it right in the center. Now I'm taking Baddie on the Block. This will tone it down and give it a little bit more of a peachier tone, and this will fade because we all know blush fades. Flipping it back over to where the highlighter was, I'm just going to blend and buff that in. So this is the powder that pretty much made me look extremely glowy. This is the e.l.f. Halo powder. I love this powder. Just using a very, very small amount, whatever is in my cap. And I'm patting the excess off. So it's literally inside of my sponge, and I'm just going to gently push this powder all over my face. I'm going to set my face with this Nalanie Make It Last. And then going back in with my powder and the sponge, I'm going to really push this product into my skin. Okay, and for my lips, I went in with Morphe's Bite Me and Sweet Tea Lip Liner and then Max Velvetetti on the lips. All right, so this is the completed look. Like you saw, everything was really simple, really affordable products. I pretty much just used everything that I had, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.